How to make Claude AI talk. Now, if you want to have conversation rather than doing the boring chat method with Claude AI, you can actually make Claude AI talk in voice with you, like calling with a friend or someone else. In order to do that, just simply open the Claude AI chat and you are going to see a mic. You don't have to tap into that to make Claude AI talk. But beside that, there is another button which looks like sound. Just simply tap into that, and after that you can speak to Claude AI and Claude AI will talk with you and reply in a voice. Just simply tap there and ask your question and to talk whatever you want to talk about. So, So, this is how you can make Claude AI talk. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.